Hello, Lions. This is your World Geophysical Geography Country Project video helper. This is all going to be in your Canvas and everything, but I wanted to show you it's also on readylibrary.com. And so when you go to the World Geophysical Geography Country Project, and you click on the click here, it is going to open up directly into Macinvia. You may have to log in with Reedy as your school, your 6-digit student ID as your login, and your 8-digit birthday as your password. But this is the group that you'll be using for Macinvia. So up here in this view instructions, if you just click on this little thing, it's going to open up your assignment sheet. So it's handy right here in your Macinvia group, and you'll notice the introduction task. You are going to have to find things about an existing country, and then you're going to have to create your own country and find these things. So also the Macinvia group is linked right here. You're also going to be using this works cited template. So if you click on this link right here, it is going to tell you that you need to use this template. So you're going to click use the template. Here is a works cited page. I have already clicked that link, and so I have my template right here, and I renamed it 1B with my name, Physical Country Project, and Miss Club as my teacher. I'm going to pretend like she's my teacher. I've always wanted her to be my teacher. I feel like she's a really good geography teacher. But anyway, so then you have your works cited page here. This is where you're going to put your citations for your project. So we're going to close that little view instructions. This is really important. So some of your maps you are going to find right here on this little video that Miss Club made for everybody. So no matter who is your teacher, you are going to watch this video because she's going to show you how to get various maps from National Geographic. So over here in the Macinvia group, this is where you're going to get maps from. So I'm going to open this, and I'm going to pretend like I've watched Miss Club's video, which I have. But we're going to look at this now. So we're going to say continue to Mapmaker Interactive. And so now you're going to, and she shows you how to navigate this, but this is where, what she's showing you, this is what you're going to right here, this map making tool, or map tool right here. Okay, another tool that you're going to use is this Climograph, because you are required to get a Climograph. And so you're going to go into this Climograph, and you're going to find your country and get the Climograph for this. Whenever you cite this, you're going to use the little extension that's up here in your Chrome toolbar. See where it says cite this for me? It's this little blue notebook looking thing. And when you click that, it's going to provide you with a citation. Same when you're in the National Geographic website as well. That's the video. But when you're in that National Geographic, this one right here, you're also going to use this little cite this for me to provide those citations. Now, if you need general information about like the capital of your country or other general information about your country, you can go right here to Britannica School. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up and show you really quickly how to get. So we're going to go search, and I'm going to type in my country. My country is Brazil. So I'm going to type that in and click the little search. Only it didn't work. Let's try it again. Let's refresh. Refresh. Okay, search. There it goes. Sometimes just a little refresh is all you need. All right. Now, here we are in Brazil. So if I wanted to use a map, or if I want to use information from this, I'm going to click on this little cite button here. And when I click on this site, I'm just going to copy and paste this into my works cited over here. So there it is. There is my citation right there. And actually, if you want to, you can do Control-Shift-V, and then it pastes it in just the text without the highlights and stuff like it had there. Okay. Oops. Let's see. I want to go back though. So I'm in Brazil. So let's say I want one of these maps that's in this one. Okay, so maybe I want this physical features one right here. So if I click on this, I can download this or screen capture it like Miss Club shows you in the other video. But if I click on that other sharing, you'll notice right here there's this little cite button. And so I can put physical features of Brazil. I can put this map into my MLA works cited page over here. Whoops, I did it again. Control-Shift-V. And now I have not only cited the article because I got some information from there, like what the capital is, but I also have cited the physical features map. So when I'm done with this, I can close out of it. All right, so I'm going to come back over here. I'm also going to show you ABC Clio, which is right here. So I am going to, you'll notice there's mapping and technology here. I'm going to go to, actually, I think I want to go to physical geography. And so there's going to be different resources in here that you may need for this project. Whatever you use from here, whether it is an image or information, whatever you use, you're going to click on the cite button and it's going to provide you with the citation. And so this right here is the MLA citation right there under the MLA. So I'm going to put that over here in my works cited page. So now I have that information if I needed that. And so I can also type in here my country, Brazil. And now I can see that there's all kinds of additional information here. I can also click filters. So here is where if I want reference articles, if I want maps, I can click on maps, apply. And so now I've got a political map, I've got a topographic map, some sort of treaty map, but I think both of these are ones that you need, so you could use these. So I'm just going to click on the topographic. And right here is that cite button where I can cite this in my works cited. And then I can also, save this to my Chromebook and use it in my project, or I can do a little screenshot and put it in my project that way. All right. Okay, so that's ABC World Clio. Okay, so a couple of other things in your this over here in the Show What You Know choice board. I just want to show you a couple of things really quickly here. So over here, you'll notice that Google My Maps and Google Earth. In Mac and Via, you have a link that opens up Google Earth directly. I need to close some of these other links I have open here. So here's Google Earth. So if I click on that Google Earth, it's going to open Google Earth. If I click on this, it's going to open the Google My Maps. All right. And then, where is my thing here? Here it is. Okay, so if you'll notice if you click on the instructions for Google Earth, I have created instructions here on how to create your Google Earth project, and so that is right there. I've also done the instructions. I think I did the instructions for my maps too. Yep, and so here are the instructions for Google My Maps. So you have both of those are also in your Mac and Via, and then the instructions are in there. And then you can also click on these links. These links take you to Google Earth and My Maps, as well as the other options here. All right, Lions, I think that about covers it for me. Oh, I guess one more thing. If you need an image for this project, I can come in here and I can type in Brazil. And let's say I want, I want this picture. I can click on this and I can click Cite, and I can grab my MLA citation here and put it in my works cited page. So that's just an image database in here as well. So as always, Lions, if you have any questions or you need any help, you can email me, you can come see me, and I will be happy to help you with this project. But these are the resources that you need for this particular project, and I wish you all the luck. See you soon, Lions.